Hey folks, welcome back. Today we gonna give you a special Elementor widget for free. You have been asking for horizontal scroll possibility for the Elementor page builder. We got you covered. Here it is. So first, let me show you how this could look like and how it works. I already prepared this nice landing page template in the Elementor using our horizontal scroll widget that we made with the free Elementor extension Unlimited Elements. Is it completely free? Yes. You also really could use this widget with the free version of the Elementor. Awesome, isn't it? Indeed it is. So as you can see, this widget is really simple. We designed it in that way so you can add slides made with the Elementor page builder. This means you can put in any design out of your Elementor template library. Just select one for each item you create in the widget. That's it. We also included an event listener that will recognize clicks on links that have set anchor IDs. So just give your slide templates an ID and add a WordPress menu to it. By clicking on a menu item, the widget will automatically scroll horizontally to the slide with the connected anchor. So let me show you how to install this. First, open your WordPress website backend and make sure you have at least installed the free version of the Unlimited Elements plugin. Then navigate to the widgets and hit the Import Widgets button. Select the downloaded zip file and import it. That's it. Now you can find the horizontal scroll widget in your page builder widget library. Let me show you a nice workflow to create your widget slides. The easiest way is to design your landing page as usual. Create a new section template and design it vertically down like you would do on any page. When finished your work, just save every part as a slide into your template library and then import them into the widget. It really is so easy. Try it out. So as we mentioned earlier, this widget is for free. But only for our YouTube friends who enjoy our videos. Just open the link in the description to our website and use the coupon code SCROLLFREE while checking out. You also want to have the landing page template we created for free? Okay guys. You can have it. Just add the template into the basket and the given coupon code will also make this item free of charge.